Hello everybody, so here I have an Abus Bravus lock installed. This tool fits Mauer Elite 2, Cisa Astral, Abus D6, D15, Cisa Asics. So it can open both left and right side. The tension on the left side should be made a little softer, on the right side up to the middle. So we start from the 6th position. The division is indicated on the handle. Focus on the clicks. Do not rush to press. The arrow indicates which way to turn. It is important to remember. And do not rush. Done. The lock is unlocked, but at 180 degrees it will lock again. So we press exactly on the 6th position. That's it, unlocked. In this version, when we open, for example, to the right side, it can lock. Therefore, we pull it out a little and turn it. This is how it happens. The tool can be pulled out at any time. This is the installation from the bottom, the white screw. We change the handle right away. This handle is designed for this upper part. We install the upper part and put, for example, Cisa Astral. And we can start working. We tighten the black screw, here for Cisa, for Abus, and here for Mauer and Tessa. You can find the price of the tool on our website.